I'm sure you've seen somewhere in the notes here a combination of const and an ampersand or both. You're probably going, why the heck is he doing that? Well, you know what? Here's why. It's actually really simple, to be honest with you. Const, as you know, means the value won't have the ability to change. But using the ampersand means giving direct access to change the value. So guess what? We're going to put them together. So when we use the ampersand, it eliminates copying values, which means in this runtime application, it doesn't have to make copies or anything else like that. It's like, here the original, but I'm going to stamp the const on it so you can't make any changes from it. But here's the original, but I am putting a const on it and a lock on it so you can't change it. And it stops me from having to make copies. Hey, you can make changes to that copy all you want. So it makes that, frankly, a big ability of first comes const, stamp, nothing can change it, here's the full access to it, but you can't change it. That's why we literally have a combination of the two. It's kind of cheating, is it? It is, but it makes things so much nicer, I can't tell you. You'll find that out with a lot of experience as well. So just a heads up on what that means. You know what, I wanted to throw one more item in that. I can't also specify, I really can't express how important just that feature of combining the two really are. But to be honest with you, you may not know off the bat if you can do that. With your setup, with your overall development, it's really more once you start locking things up, because again, you want to be safe. This is a safety mechanism. I know I got it, I'm trying to save memory, making sure I'm not copying anything, but I don't want to give them direct access. That's why this is so beautiful. But you're going to have to go through each function that you create and think about it each time. Do I need to give it, can I give it a copy? Okay, do I really want to give it a copy? Because it's a real big object, you may not want to do that. So this is a shortcut way of, frankly, making sure that, hey, I can pass the value over, but you can't make a change to it and save memory. That sounds like a win-win situation. But you really will need to think about it for every particular function that you're creating and passing an object to it. So it does take time to get used to that. It does take actual thought when it comes to the process of it. If I want to save memory and make sure it doesn't get changed, here's your option. But it is something that you really actually have to think about in the long run.